Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Gear. Today we will show you how to replace the vibrator motor on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 tablet. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the tablet and remove the LCD screen from the front. To remove the screen, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till the process completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer around the edges. Please note that some tablets may need extra heating. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap between the screen and the frame. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the screen. Once there is a gap, carefully insert a plastic car pry tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time and be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Next, gently lift the screen and flip it to relax on the body. Next, remove the bracket by undoing two screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug and then unplug the LCD connector plug to free the screen from the body. Next, remove the faulty vibrator motor from the body. First, remove the speaker cover by undoing 10 screws. Next, gently free the charging port board to access the vibrator motor. Next, remove the faulty vibrator motor by applying some heat. Next, secure the new vibrator motor to the body. Next, secure the charging port board. Next, place and secure the speaker cover by adding 10 screws. Next, install the LCD screen assembly to the body. First, secure the LCD display plug. Next, fasten the battery connector plug. Next, turn on the device for testing. Next, secure the bracket by adding 2 screws. Next, add glue or adhesive tape around the frame. Next, align the screen from the bottom and carefully slide it upward. Then apply light pressure around the edges to secure it. Finally, we add in bonding clips to fasten the LCD screen. Leave it for some time and remove it. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe for more repair guides.